into the new week, Elizabeth McGiffin is in the Weather Center. Elizabeth?
Man, we did have some very comfortable temperatures out there. In fact, we warmed up into the lower 40s throughout the area this afternoon. As we throw it over now to a look outdoors, there is plenty of clear sky sticking around. Unfortunately, though, that clear sky means rapidly dropping temperatures. Right now in St. Joe, looking at a temperature of 31 degrees. Dew point 23, relative humidity 67%, and winds starting to switch over to the west-southwest. Here's a look at that satellite and radar, which shows that we're going to continue to see those clouds clear out of the area, not only tonight, but bring in some sunshine for your afternoon. Now tomorrow, we're going to see temperatures drop a little bit, but could even be looking at some more warm weather sticking around. Make sure to stay tuned, though, because I'll have that full forecast coming up. Alex, back over to you.
It was kind of cold today, but the sunshine was nice.
That's true. That sunshine was pretty nice, and fortunately, looks like it's going to be sticking around. Make sure to stay tuned, though, because I'm going to have a look at what that sunshine can do to those temperatures coming up. Welcome back, everyone. We had some pretty comfortable temperatures out there today. Warmed up to a high of 43, low of 16. Not too off from those normal temperatures of 36 for a high and 17 for a low. Last year, though, we reached that record high of 65 degrees. Then back in 1924, made that chilly record low of -19. Now that clear sky out there is helping to quickly drop that temperature. Right now, St. Joseph, 31 degrees, dew point at 23, relative humidity 67%. Pressure's on the rise as we see some high pressure work its way into the area, and the winds are out of the west-southwest at 8 miles per hour. Now, temperatures throughout the area looking pretty similar to what we have here in St. Joseph. Farther north, though, 28 degrees in Des Moines, and then 26 degrees over in Omaha. The satellite and radar shows that most of the action is sticking well to our south, and then for us, the main thing that we're concerned about is this area of high pressure clearing out a big chunk of the United States. Here's a look a little closer. We're going to see that high pressure continue to push its way overnight, clearing those skies, and then continuing to keep those clouds away on into tomorrow. Now, here's a look ahead. For the weekend, we're going to continue to see the jet stream ridging upwards, so helping to bring in some southerly breezes and some warmer weather along with that sunshine. Then as we start off the next week, high pressure continues to scoot off that sunshine toward the northeast, bringing along some windy conditions. And then by Tuesday, our focus is going to shift a little farther south. There's an area of low pressure that will be sinking through the state of Texas, bringing them some rain and continuing to work its way up into central and northern parts of Missouri, which could bring along a wet end to our next work week. Now on into tonight, we're going to see that clear sky bring us down to a chilly 14 degrees. Winds starting to switch over to the northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. On into tomorrow, a little cooler than where we were today, 35 degrees, but to counter that, plenty of sunshine out there. Don't worry, though, we're going to see those temperatures continue to rebound and work their way closer to those 40s again as we wrap up the weekend and push our way back into the work week. Now, that area of low pressure that we saw starting to work its way into the state of Texas is really going to start affecting us by the end of the work week. So right now, our best chance of showers from that is looking to be around Thursday.
All right, that cold rain doesn't sound like a lot of fun, but we sure need it around here, right?
That's true. We're still recovering from that drought, so rain is a good thing.
Sure. Thanks a lot, Elizabeth. So it's going to be cold, but there's some rain probably heading our way.
That's right. We're going to see plenty of clear sky to start off tonight and on into tomorrow. But then we'll see a bit of a system start to creep its way in by the end of next week. On into tonight, though, mostly clear sky out there. So that's just going to be some chilly weather. And make sure to stay bundled up.
Thanks a lot, Elizabeth. And thank you for watching tonight. Have a great night. See you tomorrow.